You don't see it here clearly, but they have a leather belt. When you see a monk with a brown habit and a robe, that's the Franciscan family. When he is in brown with a leather belt, that's the Carmelite family. In Therese's time, the nuns would use some rope shoes. You can see them. So they are not the ones used by Therese. The habit was, but not the shoes. So they were making themselves these shoes, and with rope shoes you can't get out in the grass or when it's raining outside. So as soon as the nuns would get out in the garden of the convent, they would wear wooden shoes, keeping the rope shoes inside. And the wooden shoes we keep in this showcase here are the ones used by Therese. We are sure she used these ones, because if you look at them, you see that they are decorated with a reed. The wooden shoes you see here. And the apron there is above is also decorated with a reed. Nothing is personal to a nun. It means that for questions of size, they have to recognize what they were using. But you would not write your name. As soon as you write your name on something, you're saying, that's mine. So each nun had a little sign to recognize what she was using personally. And Therese's sign was a reed. So we knew she used these wooden shoes and this apron. That's really among the few things we are sure she used. The life of the nuns is very simple, as planned by the rule written by Therese of Avila. There is every day 6 hours and a half of prayer, including the daily Mass, the daily prayers of the Church, and 2 hours of silent prayer. The rest of the day the nuns work, and they work in silence. They don't take vow of silence, but the rule says they have to keep silent as much as possible. Work meaning all the things you have to do in a place where some people live, that is cooking, cleaning, all these things they share. And work meaning also make things that will be sold outside.